Welcome back to our channel everyone. In this video, let me show you how to add music to Instagram stories. If you're not familiar to adding in music to your Instagram stories, and if you have never added one, in this video you're gonna know how you can exactly add in your first music to your Instagram stories. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, tap on your stories on the top left, or if you already have added in a story previously, you'll need to tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then select the stories tab. Once you're on the stories option, just upload the picture or the video that you want to upload. Now once you're here in this section, what you need to do is tap on the stickers icon on the top. Once you tap on the stickers icon, you can see all of the different stickers that are available, and here you'd be able to see the sticker of music. If you don't see the sticker, you can tap on the search bar on the top and search for music. Select the music sticker and it's going to show you the library of music that Instagram provides. It's going to have two sections, the For You section and the Browse section. You can pick and browse through the music that you want, and to add in the music, just tap on the music and the music will be added. Now from here you can do a couple of things, such as add in lyrics of different fonts, as you can see. And when you're done choosing, you can tap on done on the top right, and there you go. The music now has been successfully added to your Instagram story. Other people who view your story will also be able to hear the music that you've added in. So that's all it takes to add music to your Instagram story. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.